Let us discuss this example. In this example, we have a function f of xy. We have to find its total derivative at a given point, and after that, with the help of total derivative, we have to find its directional derivative also. Let us write the given thing. We have, what is the function? We have f of xy is equal to, the function is 3x square plus 9y square. What is the point they have mentioned? At point -1 comma -5. Okay, and for total derivative h is also required, so I am going to take h1 comma h2. See, I am going to use epsilon delta definition getting to find its total derivative. So let us calculate some basic things first. Consider I am going to calculate f of a plus h. That means f of a, point a is -1 comma -5 plus h is h1 comma h2. Let us add. You know that we need to add component wise. Yeah, h1 -1 and h2 -5. So let us use the definition of f. Definition of f says 3x square, x means first component, square plus 9 y square, that means h2 -5 square. So the first value we calculated here. Let us go for f of a now. F of a. So our a is -1 comma -5. See, again I am going to use the same definition to calculate its value. It is 3x means -1 square plus 9y means -5 square. So if you take square of negative number, definitely you will have positive number. So this is 3 and this is -5 square, 25 into 9, 225. So this is 228. So the value of f of a. After that, we will find the difference between them. Now, f of a plus h minus f of a. So simply we have to subtract. This is our f of a plus h. 3 h1 minus 1 square plus 9 h2 minus 5 square minus f of a, which is 228. What will I do? I will expand the brackets and we will simplify. 3. Its expansion is h1 square minus 2h1 plus 1 plus 9. Its expansion is h2 square minus 10h2 plus 25 minus 228. Let us simplify it further. I will multiply each entry of that bracket by 3. 3h1 square minus 6h1 plus 3 plus 9h2 square minus 90h2 plus 225 minus 228. So definitely few terms will get cancelled. 3 plus 225, that is 228, will get cancelled with this minus 228. So therefore 3h1 square plus 9h2 square minus 6h1 minus 90h2. So after calculating f of a minus f of a plus h minus f of a, we will consider a linear transformation. Okay, I'm going to consider it, but before that I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. See how to define that linear transformation. Whatever the value of f of a plus h minus f of a we have got, we have to consider only those terms whose power is 1. So here minus 6h1 minus 90h2, they are having power 1, but here they have power 2. So that's why I'm going to consider t is minus 6h1 minus 90h2. Then we are going to calculate f of a plus h minus f of a minus t of h. So that means I am going to subtract this one from this one. So what will happen? 3h1 square plus 9h2 square. After that minus 6h1 minus 90h2. But again we are going to subtract t of h, which is same. So that's why they will get cancelled to each other. And we will have this thing only. Okay. So as I told you earlier, we are going to use epsilon delta definition to solve this problem. So I am going to consider one epsilon. Let epsilon greater than 0 be given. We take delta is equal to, actually we supposed to take the value of delta here, but right now we don't know which value of delta we have to take. So I will keep it blank. We will go further. After solving few steps, we will realize that which delta we have to choose. Okay, let us go further. Let me remove this thing, it is not required now. Let us continue. Consider norm h less than delta implies mod f of a plus h minus f of a minus t of h divided by norm h. See, we supposed to prove that its value is less than epsilon. Then we can declare the derivative exists, total derivative exists, and which is nothing but t. See, the value of numerator we have already calculated here. Okay, let us put it there. So is equal to mod 3h1 square plus 9h2 square divided by norm h. That means you know norm h1 comma h2. We have some space, so let us continue that side. Getting? Okay, or I will write in this way. Okay, vertically. See, there is no need of mod there since squares are there, so they cannot be negative. So there is no need of mod. So therefore I can write 3h1 square plus 9h2 square. You know how to calculate norm? It is square root of h1 square plus h2 square. See, if I replace 3 by 9, obviously value will get increased. So 9h possibly equal to also plus 9h2 square divided by root h1 square plus h2 square. Let us use this space. So from numerator we can take 9 common. 9 h1 square plus h2 square root h1 square plus h2 square. See, in denominator also we have got same, but just in denominator we have a square root. In numerator we don't have square root. So those terms will get cancelled to each other and we will have 9 root h1 square plus h2 square, right? Which is equal to 9 norm h. This is norm of h. But already we have said here norm of h is less than delta. So this is less than 9 delta. Okay. But actually what we supposed to prove? We should prove that it is less than epsilon. So my choice of delta should be epsilon by 9. So I actually in my mind that 9 should get cancelled to each other. Yeah, it will happen here. So 9 epsilon by 9. 9 will get cancelled and we will have epsilon. So finally we proved that this mod of f of a plus h minus f of a minus t of h upon norm h is less than. Here we have got less than epsilon. So therefore f is differentiable at a. And what is this total derivative? This t we have defined here. Yeah, this is its total derivative. Make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. So therefore f is differentiable at a and its total derivative is t of h, the linear transformation which we had taken there, which is minus 6h1 minus 90h2. So the half part of this problem is over here. So there is one more sub question, find the directional derivative also in the direction of that vector u. So let us find it. Now directional derivative of f in direction of u is, yeah, we write in this way, du f of a, the directional derivative. See, but in previous video in that we have seen one result. In that result we have proved that directional derivative can be calculated with the help of total derivative in this way. Getting? So this is equal to, I will continue it here. So that total derivative is nothing but that linear transformation. So this is t of u. But what is our u? Our u is minus 2i plus 3j. That means t of minus 2 comma 3. Okay, so let us follow the definition of t. Definition of t says minus 6h1 minus 90h2. I will follow the same definition, minus 6 H1 means here minus 2, minus 90 H2 means here 3. So this is equal to 12 minus 270, right? So the answer is minus 258. So this is the required answer. Okay, you can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.